Right. The Abico home. Cindy, Kyrie, Lucas. Look at that snow. It is uncalled for. Down the street. That's one thing about these northerners. They know how to get these streets back in action very quickly. Wind is still blowing real heavily, but besides that, it's turned into a beautiful day. Maybe in the 20s at some level. Walk on down here, you just can't even get an idea, a grasp of how much snow came down here. Walking up here to the driveway. See, that's just been packed up. That's about 4 feet high on just being packed up, pushed up. You come on around the entire back porch. Yeah, you can see that's a good. There's the door. There's the handle. It's about 2 feet, 3 feet up there. You just is, I don't know. Just keep my comments to myself. Be thankful. There's not very many of these every year, huh? What do you think, Winston? Look here. Huh? Okay. All right, all my southern friends. All my northern friends. Woo! All right.